How to follow topics on Twitter. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the quick tutorial on how to follow topics on Twitter. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are so many good conversations happening on X. It may be hard to find what's most relevant to you from time to time. That's where topics can help. Topics on X reflect the broader lasting conversations people have about events, people, and things they discuss. So, to follow topics, open the Twitter application on a device. Make sure the app is updated and now tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen. You will see various options here. You will also see the option for follow. Tap on that and you will be able to follow the trending topics and your required topics. However, I currently do not have the option for topics as of now since it is not available in my country yet. Nevertheless, this is how you can follow topics on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.